Hello, I'm Adam Grimes from MarketLifeTrading.com, and I want to share a few trades that we're doing here. So we are pretty bullish on the market. One thing that's very interesting, if you look at social media, you're seeing a lot of people belly aching about the market being manipulated and going up artificially. I would argue there's no such thing. It does not matter if the market is going up artificially. What's it even mean? In this case, there's a lot of political thinking that goes into that. Future's a little bit easier to see here, but I just want to point out that we've had this strong move off of the bottom, and this is a really clear, repeatable setup. And then the market consolidates sideways. And when you see that, when the market makes a big move and then hangs out near the top of the move, anything can happen at any moment in the market, but I will tell you, this is a reliable setup that gives a higher probability of the market continuing up than selling off. And this is what we have in the S&P. We are holding a call spread in SPY. You could do this a lot of different ways, but I think what you want to avoid is the Russell. The Russell is potentially the more bearish of the indexes, but whether you do the Qs, whether you do the SPY, whether you do the diamonds, the Dow Jones, I really don't care. The reason I'm telling you about this is because this small range day in reaction to the Fed gives you another entry trigger. If you don't have a long position, even though all-time highs are just overhead, you can take a long position on upside breakout. Another trade to keep an eye on, and we've been talking about this a little bit, but it's still good. So look here. We've been looking at this long breakout in Honeywell, and that's against this resistance level, little consolidation underneath. We talked about that being some kind of cup and handle variation. I think that's pretty clear. But the point is, if you don't have that trade, if you miss that trade, this is a case where the market is giving you, in a safe way, another opportunity to get on board with this inside bar. What this shows is some type of consolidation on the lower time frame. Given the overall setup, if you don't have the position, you can enter above yesterday's high or above the high of the previous bar. And again, this one we're doing with a call spread with a vertical. You could buy a call, you could buy the stock. A lot of possibilities here. It's a trade that we mentioned a couple times. It's still one of the best setups in the market. If the market lifts, very high probability it's going to continue. Very good chance this will continue higher. If this video is helpful, I would appreciate a like, subscribe. We'll try to get one of these out to you every day. You also can check out more of my work at MarketLifeTrading.com. Follow me on Twitter at Adam H. Grimes. Thank you very much. See you back tomorrow.